This is Kimberly, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey to becoming a full-time bookkeeper and also the knowledge that I have gained along the way. So today we are in QuickBooks Online Sample Company again, and I am going to show you how to create a sales receipt. But before I go on to creating a sales receipt, I wanted to show you the step that I missed for invoices that I created yesterday. So another step to create an invoice, you go into sales and all sales, and you use the new transaction tab in there, and you will see the invoice. There's a tab to create an invoice in there as well. Okay, so to create a sales receipt, the three ways are: the first one is you come up here to this big lovely new button, you click on it, you come down to sales receipt, and a blank sales receipt will show up here. And you may ask, if you have not watched the navigation video, what is a sales receipt? A sales receipt is when someone comes into your store and they buy a product from you, or even you are offering services and they purchase your services and they pay you immediately. That is when you create a sales receipt. So therefore, the person, you go into your supermarket, your local supermarket, you purchase bread, and then you go to the cashier, you pay the money for the bread, and they give you back a receipt. That is what is called a sales receipt. So hopefully you understand it in that sense. As you can see, this sales receipt is blank and it does not have any information. So I will have to fill out all the information to create this one. Okay. So I will come out of that one, show you the other way that you can create a sales receipt. You come down here, you go to sales, all sales, you select that one, and then you come over here to new transaction. You click on this drop down arrow and you can create a sales receipt from in here as well. And you will see as that this one is also blank, and you have to input all the information in here as well. So I'm going to close off to that one. And then the last part where you can create a sales receipt, come over to customers, click on customers. Remember, that's in the sales tab. You can search, because remember I like to use this search bar, and today I'm going to use Diego Rodriguez. Click on Diego. As you can see, we're in Diego's account, and we are going to click on new transaction, and you'll see the difference with this one. Now come down to sales receipt, click on that one, and Diego's information is already inputted here for us because we are in his account. Now, if we didn't go into Diego's account and we went into any of the other sales receipts that we have pulled up, either the new button or the all sales, in all sales and new transaction, you will just come in here and you just type in his name, and his information would just come up, because obviously we would have added him as a customer previously. Or you could have come in here, click on the new button, and you could have just created his account. So actually, what I am going to do is I'm going to close off of this one, and I am going to create a new account for someone from the new button and sales receipt. Going to do this one a bit different than I did the invoice yesterday, so you don't think that you just have to come and go to customers to create a sales receipt. So we're going to create a new customer. We're going to call it LBK Inc. Sorry, I don't know why I have my caps locks on. LBK Inc. We're going to add him as a customer. We don't have any more information for him, so we are going to click save, and it populates today's date. he paid us by credit card and he used an American Express card. And it doesn't have any reference number because it's a credit card. If it was a check, now you will have the check reference number will go here. The credit card actually goes, the money goes, whenever somebody pays you by credit card, obviously they swipe their card and it goes directly into your bank. Let me see his checking account. He bought soil from us and it's a product, so it's taxable, and so therefore he paid us $10.80. That is correct with what happened with the transaction. So we can either come down here, we can save and close, or save and new. If I save and close, it will just close this sales receipt, and if I save and new, it will save this, and then it will open up a blank sales receipt as well. So we're just going to save and close this one, and we're going to go look for LBK to make sure that his account, so we're going to click on this little arrow there and put LBK, click on him. You will see that he does not owe us anything because obviously it was he paid us, it was a sales receipt, so his account has in $0. That's it for me today, and I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press that notification bell, and leave any comments in the comment section below that I didn't make clear, or if you have any additional information that you want to know, you can also put that in the comment section below. I will happily reply to you. Enjoy your day and bye.